Hi, in this session, we're going to talk about abstract classes. I don't know if you have a background of abstract classes, but certainly if you have worked with Java, you're very familiar with this concept. As we know, Scala has object-oriented feature as well as functional programming features. And in this session, we're going to more talk about the object-oriented side of Scala. So I'm going to explain quickly what is abstract class. Abstract class is a class that at least has one method that is defined as abstract. Let's see what's the abstract method. Abstract method is a method that has no implementation. And this is what's called abstract method. So if your class has just one abstract method, then this class is abstract. And the keyword to use that is abstract. Just going to give you an example. For example, I have a class student. If I want to define this class, number one, I need to add the keyword abstract to my class. And number two, I need to have an abstract method in this class. You can also have concrete method in the class, abstract class, but at least you need to have one abstract method for this class to be abstract. Let's look at an example. I created a new project. This project is a Scala inheritance because that's what we're going to talk about in these sessions. So I have a class student. So I need to define a package inheritance, right? Because that's the package I have. And the syntax is just package and then the package name. So this student class is defined as abstract. Why is that? Let's look at the class. I have variable name, type of string, and variable address. These are the properties or variable of this class. I also have a concrete method that is printing the information. And I have a method get attendance year that has no implementation. And what do I mean by having no implementation? It means I'm not implementing this class, right? So this method has no body and implementation, therefore is abstract. The difference between Java and Scala in that sense is in Java, you really need to define an abstract keyword for the abstract method, but here in Scala, you just don't need to do that. As long as you don't have a implementation for that method, it considers abstract. Let's say what happened if I remove the abstract keyword here. If you look, I'm getting an error. Class student must either be declared abstract or please implement the abstract member get attendance year. So therefore, this class is abstract. And the whole point of creating abstract class is to let subclasses to implement those methods that are not implemented. Honestly, that's all you need to learn about abstract classes. Super simple concept. We're gonna learn how to use them later on when we explain inheritance. Thank you.